An all-night firefighting operation took place in Corinth Estate from Monday night into Tuesday morning, where a fierce blaze destroyed a commercial structure.
Last night, I was called and told that the building is on fire. You know, my uncle's wife lives on top of the hill, and she told me the building is on fire.
Firefighter Jensen Leon said fire officers sprang into action to prevent the blaze from spreading.
On arrival on scene, the structure was engulfed in flames. We could see much of the smoke, but it was closed. So we started initiating a fire attack, and the guys worked tirelessly to get the fire out.
Leon noted that despite obstacles, the mission was successful, with the flames effectively extinguished and the fire fully contained.
One of the challenges was the type of building, because it's surrounded by containers, which proved challenging, but we were able to pull through.
Curtis Francois, the owner of the building, says the structure was originally an old French bakery that was being converted into a distribution hub, though it had not yet become operational. He says the fire has caused a major disruption to his business expansion plans.
It was under renovations, so we were wanting to open in the next 3 months. So big setback for me. They'll have to assess, the structure, the integrity of the structure, but it looked as if, it got a big hit, because I was there last night and I could have seen the red flames, giving it some good shock.
Following the main operation, fire crews conducted a secondary assessment of the building on Tuesday morning. They swiftly contained the rekindling of the blaze, and no injuries were reported.